So this is the Neakasa PO Lite Pet Grooming Kit. The word light indicates it does not have the attachments to cut or clip the fur. It just vacuums up the fur while you groom your animal. And you see my cat has already attacked it. I selected this pet vacuum because it advertises that it's 58 decibels and it's lightweight. Here are the specifications, and I'm demonstrating the light version, so it weighs 6 pounds. And here's our box contents. Since I have the light version, there's 4 attachments: a nozzle, a cleaning brush to be used on your pets or your furniture or your clothing, a grooming brush, and a deshedding tool. Here's the cleaning brush. This has that material that should pick up hair if you go a certain way. Here's the grooming brush. Note that if you push the bar in on the back, it will dislodge the hair. Here's the deshedding tool. It can be sharp. I probably will not use this. And again, push the bar in to help dislodge the fur. And these are keyed on the bottom. On the device itself, you have power on and off and different fan speeds. This just lifts off, and that's how you remove the hair. And note how that fits back together, and you lock it back. You align this with that notch. Note this is a very nice handle. You can wrap the cord around the base for easier storage. It doesn't actually clip in, but it's still a lot better than having it all over the place. I measured with a tape measure from edge to edge. My hose is about 56 inches. It is a little stretchy though. And note they look about the same, but the one that connects to the vacuum is this one with the ledges on each edge. That just goes in there, and you'll hear it snap. On the other end, you just connect whatever attachment you want, and again, it's keyed. And you should hear it click or firmly make sure it's in there. Take it off, you push the button. So I'm going to turn it on. See, it pulses, sort of lights up. That would be medium and high, and back to low. I've turned it on. My cat is pretty fearless. He's checking it out. So on low, it does not have a lot of suction. I'm going to bump it up one. I think that would suffice. After he's used to it, I'll probably use it on the medium setting. He usually likes being brushed, so give it some time. I tried the cat mitt, and it gets a lot of his fur off, but I can't get the hair off the mitt. And the regular cat brush, where you push the button to remove the hair, it loosens his hair, but the hair doesn't get caught in the brush. So like most cats, our cat cannot walk without rubbing his body on every surface, so this is full of fur. I'm going to try to see if this vacuum will pick it up. Go ahead and put it on high. It easily picks it up, like super easy. It could also be used to clean his cat tree. So I've emptied the bin. Remember, you just turn it to unlock. To clean the filter, just pry off the soft side and clean that out. After it's all cleaned out, you put that back together, and the instructions say you can rinse it with water. Just let it fully dry before putting it back together and using it. Line this up and lock it. Put the canister back in. So we've established a morning brushing routine with our cat. He absolutely loves it. He even rolls over to have his tummy vacuumed. And we leave it on medium. This is just 3 days worth of fur collected. So this would be all over the house or in his stomach. So for us, it's definitely a win. So I hope this is helpful. Thank you.